Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create custom dashboards in Airtable. So as you may already know, Airtable is a tool that can be used to manage businesses of all types and a lot of other things as well. As you can see here, I have a leads base, then I am managing my TikTok content creation using Airtable, then my PR outreach, and I'm also having a spreadsheet, purchase process, personal CRM, and a lot of other things, expense tracking. And these are all custom dashboards that I created for my business. But today I'm going to teach you how you can create a dashboard for your business. So all you have to do is you have to press this templates button, and here you have to search for whatever your business is or whatever you're looking for. So as you can see, they have a lot of templates. Now I recommend you search your business. So if you have a video editing agency, as you can see, they have two templates: a digital video production and in-house video production. Let's say you select this one, then you press try template and press create. And now what it will do is it will create a dashboard or a couple of dashboards for you to manage all of your video production process. So you'll be able to manage your content, your um, entire process using this dashboard. As you can see, it has created this template, and let's see what we've got. So it has added a lot of views, basically different dashboards, all videos, status tracker, live videos, schedule, product leads, agencies, budget tracking, and a lot of things. So in this dashboard, what we get is we get all of our videos. So we can add our video name, then we can add the series. Like if we are doing different series, we can add them here. Then we can add their thumbnail, and we can add their release date. And if we scroll on the right, we have a lot of other columns, like we have product status. If it is live, it is in work, we can add that here. We have their format, we have their platform, if it is for YouTube, Facebook, website, whatever. And we can also add notes, we can add their length, we can add their budget, the amount we spent on those videos, and we can add the writer of the script, we can add their deadlines, their URL, and as you can see, a lot of things. So this way you can build custom dashboards that can cater your business needs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.